How to add money to a Wise account. Need to fund your Wise account to send, spend, or hold money in different currencies? Let's walk through it. So first, open the Wise app or the Wise website. Go to your balances section, and then in here you'd be able to see your available currencies and available balance for each of the currency. Pick the currency you want to add money to, tap on this add money button, and then that will take you here. So in here you need to enter the amount of money that you want to top up for your account. And then after that, you'd be able to select your payment method and the currency. So for example, you click on this change button. You have the choice to use your debit card, pay ID, bank transfer, or credit card for this. Now you can check the cheapest option by selecting cheapest with this filter, and you'd be able to find the cheapest top up option you can use to top up this money to your account. Follow the instructions to complete your payment, and once Wise receives the money, it appears in your chosen balance, ready to send, spend, or convert instantly. And that is how to add money to a Wise account.